The Khelo India Winter Games are here tomorrow. Union Minister of Sports Mansukh Mandavia is going to come to witness the participation for the athletes who are over 400 into the Winter Games, which will be on the snow and on the ice. And right now, if we talk about the preparations, this is what the view looks like. The young athletes, as young as even 8 years, are in the complete preparation mode with their ice skating equipments on point and their preparations and strategies for the games completely prepared. This is where the practice is going on. This is the Gupuk Lake in Leh, where the ice skating is going to be held tomorrow. This is one of the games venue where the students and in fact the athletes, the snow athletes, are completely preparing themselves with their gears and their equipments. And as you can see behind me, this is over 11,000 feet, 35,000 meters above the sea level, with even temperatures dipping to minus 16 degrees. And the kids and their athletes are not at all even tired. This is the kind of action that you can see behind me. This is the venue where ice hockey and ice skating preparation is going on, and they have been practicing here since morning. Tomorrow is the first day, from 23rd of January till 27th of January in Leh. The Khelo India Winter Games are going to be held at the ND Stadium, which is going to be one of the venue. Gupuk Lake is second of the venue, and the LSRC is the third venue, where the different kinds of games in both the teams of men and women finals will be held to boost, in fact, the participation of young athletes and of the athletes into the Winter Games in snow and also in hockey, to give them a platform for the international level players also to see this as an example for India, which is now holding the Khelo India Winter Games for the 5th time and for the 2nd time in Leh. This is Simran with video journalist Dinesh for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.